job, pirate crew! We figured out what the skeleton key unlocks. So now let's put all our gold doubloons into our team treasure chest.
Way, hey, well done crew. Everyone knew just what to do. Way, hey, with help from you. Time to count our gold doubloons.
Come on, count with us.
Yeah!
1, 2, 3,
4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9. Yo-ho! For solving pirate problems today, we got 9 gold doubloons. Thanks for helping us out today, mates. And thank you, Peter Pan!
Blast! Once again, I've found no treasure.
But look, you found a new friend. And he really likes to play fetch.
But I don't want to play! Save me, Smee!
I'm on my way, Captain. Down, down, boy.
Don't touch the ground, 'cause it's hot, hot lava. You can't even go on your tippy toes. Don't touch the ground, 'cause it's hot, hot lava. You can't even go on your tippy toes. If you drop your tricorn hat, don't pick it up. Unless you've got a 10-foot pole and protective gloves. When I say it's hot, I mean it's really hot. It could take 1,000,000 years before that it is not. You can't bother with hot lava. It's way too hot to step upon. So swing and climb from vine to vine like a monkey does it all the time. Hot lava, hot lava, hot lava. It's real hot.